Today I've got both legal gwinya, illegal gwinya, indoor gwinya, outdoor gwinya, homemade gwinya, stratmate gwinya. Ungathi ke lela gwinya litsibe icingo marasta. I want us to differentiate, to distinguish, and to establish differences between the illegal and the legal. Uyabona ke eli libhakwe endlini home baked kuthiwa laa nto kuthiwa impanyu. It was the last ntlama yokugqibela ndaqonda let me do it for a demonstration, and then I went and buy this one ke ngoku marasta just to ke ngoku to have this differentiation don't. So I want us to look at firstly at early igwinya marasta ku homemade lo niyamazi homemade about ibhanti kuthiwa ngu-white belt iyachaza ke laa nto ukuba I am very South African, I am very here, I was baked by a South African also. And also usilibona ngantoni intlama it becomes plain surface lo, meaning what, it was touching the pot inantsika le, there's a plain tintoni. Now going to the second one, betunana igwinya lika Okoso, igwinya lika Mike, igwinya lika Olive, nali lona line tendency libe secular yava ke ngoku, and libomvu all over, awuyazi noba ngumphezulu ngophi noba ngumphansi ngophi, and also line tendency lo absorber ioil ngaphakathi ke ngoku lona different compared kuthukweni. Yeah, I was just trying marasta to give out amaqithiqithi about differences about lamagwinya, and also disadvantages ke ngoku bandinobalisa disadvantages zeli igwinya. You are not sure because the baker is not the one that he was supposed to bake. And also any disadvantage ke yeli igwinya, it is also because zine oil absorbent, uthulivula igwinya umphakathi utheni une oil. Kodwa ke eli hayi ke gwinya, you can put a liver, you can put intontoni, it always gives you the tangible and the dryness and the niceness and the oiliness also together. Nansi yakhe from Mercato Delado irasta elikhulu fondini laninika amaqithiqithi about amagwinya 2020 marasta. After demonstration hayi ndiwathumela ku-osophagus kwawona lana ayo demonstrate waphaya zi-intestines nazi-pancreas yonke loo nto leyo sila.